everyone, I am Akansha Chauhan and I am here to tell you about IoT in healthcare. So, first we will discuss about what is IoT. IoT refers to the Internet of Things. It is a combination of hardware and software technology that produces trillions of data through connecting multiple devices and sensors with the cloud and making sense of data with intelligent tools. IoT is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, softwares, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these things to connect and exchange data, creating multiple opportunity for more direct integration of physical world into computer-based system, resulting in efficiency, improvements, economics, benefits, and reduced human exertion. Anything can be IoT devices if it can transmit and receive data over the cloud and designed to process a unique task. IoT in healthcare is a heterogeneous computing, wireless communicating system of apps and devices that connects patients and health provider to diagnose, monitor, track and store vital statistics and medical information. Few examples of IoT in healthcare: headsets that manage brainwaves, clothes with sensing devices, BP monitors, glucose monitors, ECG monitors, pulse oximeters, sensors embedded in medical equipments, dispensing systems, surgical robots, and device implementation, any wearable technology device. Its benefits are: first is simultaneously reporting and monitoring. Real-time monitoring via connected device can save lives in an event of medical emergencies like heart failure, diabetes, asthma attack, etc. With real-time monitoring of the condition in place by means of smart medical devices connected to a smartphone app. Connected device can collect medical and other required health data and use the data connection of the smartphone to transfer collected information to a physician. The IoT device can collect and transfer health data like blood pressure, oxygen, and blood sugar levels, weights, and ECGs. This data are stored in the cloud and can be shared with an authorized person who can be a physician, your insurance company, a participating health firm, or an external consultant to allow them to look at the collected data regardless of their place, time, and devices. Second is end-to-end connectivity and affordability. IoT can automate patient care workflow with the help healthcare mobility solution and other new technologies. IoT in healthcare enables interportability, machine-to-machine communication, information exchange, and data movement that makes healthcare service delivery effective. Connectivity protocols are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, Zigbee, and other modern protocols. Healthcare personnel can change the way they spot illness and elements in patient and can also innovate revolutionary ways of treatment. Consequently, technology-driven setup brings down the cost by cutting unnecessary visits, utilizing better quality resources, and improving the allocation and planning. Data assortment and analysis. Vast amount of data that a healthcare device sends in a very short time owing to their real-time application is hard to store and manage if the access to cloud is unavailable. Even for healthcare providers to acquire data originating from multiple devices and sources and analyze it manually is a throwback. IoT device can collect, report, and analyze the data in a real time and cut the need to store the raw data. This all can happen over cloud with the providers only getting access to final reports with graphs. Tracking and alerts. On-time alert is critical in event of life-threatening circumstance. Medical IoT device gather vital data and transfer the data to doctor for real-time tracking, while dropping notification to people about critical parts via mobile apps and other links devices. Thus, IoT enables real-time alerting, tracking, and monitoring, which permits hands-on treatments and better accuracy. Remote medical assistance. In event of an emergency, patient can contact a doctor who is many kilometers away with the smart mobile apps. With mobility solution in healthcare, the medics can instantly check the patients and identify the elements on go. Also, numerous healthcare delivery chains that are forecasting to build machines that can distribute drugs on the basis of patient's prescription and elements related data available via link device. Research. IoT for healthcare can also be used for research purpose. It's because IoT enables us to collect a massive amount of data about the patient's illness, which would have taken many years if we collected it manually. Thus, this data collected can be used for statistical study that would support the medical research. IoT don't only save time but also our money which would go in the research. IoT has a great impact in the field of medical research. It enables the introductions of bigger and better medical treatments. It is used in a variety of devices that enhance the quality of the healthcare services receiving by the patients. Even the existing devices are now being updated by IoT by simply using embedding chips of a smart device. These chips enhance the existence and care that a patient requires. Its challenges are first is data security and privacy. One of the most significant threats that IoT poses is of data security and privacy. All these factors make the data highly susceptible to cybercriminals who can hack into the system and compromise personal health information of both patient as well as doctors. Cybercriminals can misuse patients' data to create fake IDs to buy a drug and medical equipments, which they can sell later. Hackers can also file a fraud insurance claims in patient's name. Integration multiple devices and protocol. Integration of multiple devices also causes hindrance in the implementation of IoT in the healthcare sector. The reason for this hindrance is that device manufacturers haven't reached a consensus regarding communication protocol and standard. So, even if the variety of devices are connected, the difference in their communication protocol complicated and hinders the process of data aggregation. This non-uniformity of the connected device protocol slows down the whole process and reduces the scope of scalability of IoT in healthcare. Data overload and accuracy. As discussed earlier, data aggregation is difficult due to the use of different communication protocol and standards. However, IoT device still record a ton of data. The data collected by IoT device are utilized to gain vital insights. However, the amount of data is so tremendous that deriving insight from it are becoming extremely difficult for doctors, which ultimately affects the quality of decision making. Moreover, this concern is rising as more devices are connected which record more and more data. Cost. Surprised to see cost consideration in the challenge section? So I know most of you would be. But the bottom line is IoT has not made the healthcare facilities affordable to the common man yet. The boom in the healthcare cost is a worrying sign for everybody, especially the developed countries. The situation is such that it gives rise to medical tourism in which patients with critical condition access healthcare facilities of the developing nations, which cost them as less as one-tenth. IoT in healthcare as a concept is fascinating and promising idea. However, it hasn't solved the cost consideration as of now. To successfully implement IoT app development and to gain its total optimization, the stakeholder must make it cost effective. Otherwise, it will always remain out of everyone's reach except the people from the high class. Application of IoT in healthcare. The Internet of Things allows setting up a centralized network of interconnected devices that can generate and exchange data within a single framework. In terms of enhancement for medical facilities, this means that a regular hospital can be turned up in a smart hospital. It is an advanced facility where everything is tracked and managed simultaneously while all the data is collected in a centralized database. IoT in healthcare helps in reducing emergency room wait time, tracking patient, staff, and inventory, enhancing drug management, ensuring availability of critical hardware. IoT has also introduced several wearables and devices which has made lives of patients comfortable. These devices are as follows: hearables, ingestible sensors, modables, etc. Future of IoT in healthcare. Healthcare has the most potential use of IoT than any other sector. IoT can make healthcare cheaper and efficient in the future. It can help in the creation of more customized and patient oriented equipment. Moreover, IoT will also enable patients to get better access to data and personalized care. Thank you.